If you want to change wallpaper on POCO F7, all you have to do is open Settings. Now in Settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then go to Personalization. Over here, you can scroll down in order to find some online wallpapers, for example. You can also go to Editor's Pick. We also have some more wallpapers over here, System Wallpapers, and so on and so forth. You can tap on Find More in order to open the store with wallpapers. So let's say I'm just gonna pick this wallpaper over here as an example. Of course, at first we have the lock screen, but we can tap in order to switch to the home screen. And you can find, for example, home screen effects like the blur, like the wallpaper scroll. You can, of course, zoom in and zoom out. And then once you are done with your wallpaper, we can just press apply in the top right corner. You can choose to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. So let's say I'm gonna set it up for both. You can also turn on wallpaper carousel. However, personally, I'm not a fan of that, so I'm not gonna agree to that. And that's it. Wallpaper has been changed. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.